Hello guys, welcome to Tech Mantra 2025 channel. Today we are going to learn how to create 3D animated video by using PowerPoint presentation. Here I am using Windows 2007. Okay, uh, you are getting shocked, right? In today's there are many apps to create a 3D animations, but we need to learn PowerPoint, MS Office also. In that, the main important thing is a MS PowerPoint. PowerPoint presentations are most important application to learn each and every technical student. Okay, for this we need to open a new PowerPoint presentation document. After that, go to insert and select the circle shape and place it on the slide. After that, we need to select a curve and draw a wing for the fan and adjust the shape of the wing. It's your wish, you can design your fan by your own. I just take a simple and easy fan. Okay, after creating the wing, just copy and paste this wing to get a equal size of the wings. Okay, we can draw another curve, we can take another curve, but there should be a size difference. There should be a problem for the size difference. So we need to just copy and paste the wing. Okay, just observe on the screen. Yeah. Okay, almost the fan is ready, but we need to send back the wings. For this, we need to go for the format and select a send back option. After that, we need to give a beautiful look for the fan by using the 3D shapes. For this, we need to select all the shapes and go to the format section and select the shape effects. Shape effects, and on that you can select any 3D shape. Okay, like as shown in the screen. I'm going to take a 3D look for the fan, and it should be look like a real fan. See how beautiful it is. Take another circle and going to fill with another color. It's not good, it's not looking good, right? I'm just going to give a 3D effect for the circle also, and going to fill with another color, like maybe the white is suitable for this. Okay, I'm going to select outline for this circle and going to fill with black color first. Let's see how it is, how it look like. Oh, it's not look like good. Okay, let's select white. Okay, yeah, it looks good, right? Okay, finally my fan is ready, but it is not moving. Oh my god, how should we move the fan? How should we rotate the fan? Need to switch on? No. We need to do some magic here. Just copy the slide and paste in the below. After that, in the new slide, we need to rearrange the fan wings like as shown in the screen. See, simply like this. Just observe that there is two different directions in the first and second slide. Now, it's simple thing. we need to copy 2 slides and paste in the below. You can paste as many as you can. You how many slides you want, how the fan should be, how much time the fan should be rotate. That's your wish. You can take any number of slides. You can take 20, you can take 10, 30, whatever. How much slides you can take, the fan should be rotate based on that. After pasting all the 2 slides repeatedly below, one below after, we need to select some animation. Okay, go to animation section, and there we need to select a speed, and we need to unselect the mouse click. It should be the slideshow should be automatically come, right? Then I'm going to save the file, okay, in my document section. You can save in your own drive. Yeah, after that it's time to slideshow. Okay, oh my god, it is very short, so I need to be paste few more slides. Okay, copy and paste, copy and paste. You can select all the slides and copy below, paste below. Yeah, simply. And one more thing, you may have the doubt that how can I record this, how can I change this into video. In Windows 10, it is very good option is there to export the slide PowerPoint presentation into video. For Windows 7, I have taken screencast. See the magic of the slideshow here. The fan is moving, right? Oh my god. This is very easy, guys. You can easily learn this. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe.